3 Aloe Vera Face Mask Recipes for Radiant Skin. Aloe Vera's nutrient-rich gel deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin, working its magic in 2 unique ways. Firstly, it has the ability to penetrate the epidermis, reaching the dermis and hypodermis to provide essential nutrients. Secondly, it locks in moisture from the air, keeping our skin hydrated and preventing moisture loss. In essence, aloe vera is a fantastic solution for dry skin. Revitalize your dry skin with a hydrating aloe vera and yogurt face mask. You will need aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt. Combine the aloe vera gel with yogurt until you achieve a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Then rinse off with cold water. Aloe vera contains enzymes that gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and promoting circulation. It is particularly effective for oily skin, preventing clogged pores due to excess sebum. The homemade aloe vera and honey mask boast powerful antibacterial properties. You will need aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix the aloe vera gel and honey to create a creamy paste. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse off with cold water. Aloe vera stimulates collagen and hyaluronic acid production, helping to prevent wrinkles and sagging skin. Its antioxidant properties combat free radicals, which contribute to premature skin aging. For an anti-aging mask, combine aloe vera with cucumber, rich in vitamins A, C, and E, for a firm and smooth complexion. You will need 100 grams of aloe vera pulp and 100 grams of cucumber. Mix the ingredients with a little water to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning and follow up with your regular day cream. With consistent use, these masks will work wonders on your skin, promoting healing and restoring your natural glow.